In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate loan interest and installments in Microsoft Excel. We'll build a simple, reliable loan calculator you can reuse anytime. Start by opening a blank workbook in Excel so we have a clean slate. We'll set up a small input area on the left and the results just below it so everything stays readable and tidy. At the top, type a clear title like Loan Calculator so it's obvious what this sheet does. Just beneath that, create labels for the inputs you'll control: loan amount, annual interest rate, loan term, years, and payments per year. Place these labels in one column and leave the cells next to them open for the values you'll enter. For example, you might enter the loan amount as a plain number without commas to avoid entry mistakes. Format the annual interest rate as a percentage. Set the term as a whole number of years and use 12 for monthly payments. Using consistent formatting now prevents confusing results later. If you prefer, apply currency to the amount and percentage to the rate so Excel interprets everything correctly. Next, add a result line for monthly payment. This is the installment you'll actually pay each period, and we'll calculate it with Excel's PMT function. Click the cell beside monthly payment and enter a formula like PMT, annual rate cell, payments per year cell, loan term year cell, payments per year cell, loan amount cell. The division converts the annual rate to a periodic rate. The multiplication turns years into total number of payments, and the negative sign on the loan amount returns a positive payment. If your payments are due at the beginning of each period instead of the end, you can add 1 to the end of PMT, but for most loans, the default end of period timing is correct. Once you press enter, format the result as currency, and you've got your installment. Finally, calculate the total loan cost so you understand how much you'll pay over time and how much of that is interest. Create a line for number of payments using the same years times payments per year logic. Then calculate total paid as monthly payment multiplied by number of payments. To find total interest, subtract the original loan amount from total paid. Format these as currency to keep everything consistent. If you see odd decimals, adjust to 2 places for a cleaner look. That's it. Update the inputs anytime to compare scenarios and watch how the payment and total cost respond. Save the workbook, and you've got a dependable loan calculator ready whenever you need it.